What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Toro Bravo Raging Bull coming back at you with another video. So today this is a different video. It's not about sneakers today. It's about a shoe restoration project from Kirby Allison, founder of the Hanger project. So I bought these shoes about a week and a half ago on eBay for $50. So you're asking what shoes are they, or what? Hang in there. Here they are. Allen Edmonds, Park Avenue, Shell Cordovan, black cap-toe Oxford. So got these on eBay for $50. So I'm going to be sending these to Jim McFarland of McFarland Shoe Repair in Florida. So he's also in charge of the Kirby Allison shoe restoration project. So I paid $265 to service these shoes. So when they come in after the repair, I will answer the question: is it worth investing in $265+ in repairing a worn pair of shoes, or buying a brand new pair of shoes? So the Shell Cordovan Park Avenue dress shoes are retailed at $695, while a regular calfskin dress shoe is $395. So what makes the Shell Cordovan more pricier? Well, Shell Cordovan leather comes from the rear quarters of a horse, aka the horse's butt. So it's more tougher, durable, and this leather is produced in the Whole Wheat factory in Chicago, Illinois. So, and the outsole is one of the finest outsoles you'll find out there. It's the JR running back of bar tanned leather outsole, which you'll find in basically all Cordovan dress shoes. So I'm going to be sending these to McFarland Shoe Repair in Lakeland, Florida, so they can fully restore it and install brand new outsoles, restore the leather. As you can see, it's pretty beat up. So thank you guys for joining me. See you guys in the next video. Deuces.